What's going on, everybody? I'm gonna do a short video about our valve covers, and I hope this works better than what I've seen, and the issues, and fixes the issues that I've had with our valve covers for years, trying to figure out the simplest way to make a way to where we don't have to worry about oil leaking or filling catch cans or whatever issues that come along with having a catch can. I think this product is really going to solve a lot of people's issues. So I hope it works. If it doesn't, I'm still going to use it. I mean, I think it's going to work really good. And I think it's going to make things a lot simpler. It is expensive. I will say for fittings, it's super expensive. But to not have anything leaking, to not worry about messing up a valve cover, because I know that these valve covers are not cheap. They're not always easy to come across anymore. Not everybody has junkyards to just go get parts at the drop of a dime. They are getting harder to find. So I think this will work. All right, so here we go. So here is a Motion Raceworks product. Basically, these are their new catch can fittings. So they're self-baffled. They bolt in, and they have an O-ring that goes around the perimeter of it to seal. And so self-baffling. And I don't know. I think these are gonna work really good, and they look awesome. So we'll see. What do you think? If I put these straight, that's not gonna work. So I'm leaning towards something like that, maybe something like this, or just go one on the side and then one straight. Man, I don't know. I'm sitting here looking. Look at how big that opening is versus, like, I mean, that's pretty big too, but yeah, look at that. Look at what I had to do. Try to patch this shit together, and it still ended up leaking. Anyways, I feel like that's just massive. Yeah, I don't know. Thinking one of these could do the job of both of those, honestly. I'm thinking about just doing one and capping my other side of the catch can. Honestly, I think one would be perfect. Sneeze. Nose ever burn? Yeah, you gotta sneeze. I hate that shit. All right. Just lift that guy out of there. Man, it looks crummy. Well, let's get to it. Let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, so I guess this is the internal baffle that they have, and this is the external that goes in the valve cover, if you have room. We're gonna see if I have enough room. I think there's plenty of room for this, but we'll double check that in a few. They also included Loctite, which is cool. I know they specify Loctite on a lot of stuff. I'm gonna use it since they're giving it to me, so might as well. It's red Loctite, if you're wondering. So they give you like a little sample size of Loctite. So I'm gonna install that little baffle first. the internal one. Did I lose a screw? Yo, what the hell? Oh, here it is. It's super tiny, but yeah, just, I guess we'll put a little dab on it. I shake this shit up or something, or what? Okay, that should be plenty. Get this little baffle. Yo, I'm messing this all up. There we go. It's like playing Operation. Okay, I guess it would look like that. So we'll go ahead and move on. Okay, so they give you a template. I'm thinking right about there is good. I might have to trim that little piece down right there, just because I don't think it's gonna sit flush right there. So I'll probably just kind of massage that till it's almost flat. And then I'm not sure if there's gonna be enough room here I might be drilling through these. And if I mess them up somehow and I can't add the screws back, it's not. Okay, I got the valve cover marked. You can't really see it. I'm gonna drill 3 small pilot holes in here and see where we end up. All right, I got it all marked out. These are the holes where, you know, the fitting is gonna sit. And I need to basically open up this section here. So I'm using a step bit. I already drilled my pilot holes there. And then I'm gonna probably have to massage it out with a file. And I'll show you I'll show you as I go with that. So. See if I can. That's where we are right now. I'm just gonna clean the edges up and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I got a couple of these little bits right here. Basically I had to go in here and just massage this out just so I can get the bolts to sit flush and get that that inside baffle in there. So should be good now. These are super old and I'm surprised they still were able to take that back like that. So perfect. All right, so we're installed, everything's good. The next thing I need to do is I need to do the top one. I kind of have plans today, so I can't finish it, but at least we got this one all mounted and good to go. So I got the baffle. I just ground these down on both sides. So the holes for the plate, I ground these down as best I could and then just put the bolts in on the back side. So I got 2 baffles in it and there you go. That's the finished product right there. So at least I got the one on, and then this is an adapter. So this is a 12 AN and it adapts down to the 10 for my catch can. So that'll be good there. And I'll put the next one up here to be able to run the lines kind of like this. So basically this one will be up here, and you'll have this one, and my catch can kind of goes this way. So both lines will be kind of meet each other to be like kind of a clean install. So thanks for watching. I'll try to post more. I want this channel to be more of like, I'm working on the car on the weekend or on my free time, and then, you know, Monday through Friday, sometimes Saturday, during the day, I'm gonna be trucking. So I think the shit that I do in trucking is pretty interesting. So I would like to kind of have people follow along with what I do there. So I'm gonna start doing a lot of videos about my day trucking, and kind of the reason for the change of the name of the channel from Boosted Hyundai to Trucking for Race Cars, because that's really why I'm trucking. I literally truck because I love it, for one, and also if it's able to fund the stuff that I want to do. So trucking for race cars. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, tell me what I did wrong. Tell me, you know, you like it. Tell me, you know, what kind of videos you might want to see. I do so much stuff that I don't even record that I feel like I should record, because, I mean, it could help somebody in the future. You know, when we first started learning about Hyundais, there was not a lot of information. A lot of it was in Spanish or not out there at all. So now that we're starting to learn things, I would like to show more people. So eventually, maybe more people would like to build Hyundais, just because they're so easy to build, so cheap, and they're just fun, man. So like I said, stay tuned. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll try to get out more videos. Just let me know what you want to see. Thank you.